Hey everybody, Rick Kreuter from Beyond the Hunt TV. I want to talk to you about some features on this knife, the Phoenix Talon by Outdoor Element. Real quick, really nice tight-fitting Kydex sheath that holds this knife firmly in place. It comes with a diamond sharpening stone across the spine of the blade for easy sharpening on the go. We love it. Let's jump into the knife itself and the blade. The blade is a D2 steel blade, making it very durable, very ergonomic. It's also very easy to sharpen. If we jump up into here, you'll see there's a gut hook. This knife comes with a replaceable gut hook blade. Unlike any other knife on the market, 2 screws, replace the blade, you're back in business. We like to store our extra blades right here in the storage underneath the scales on this knife. Again, 2 screws here. You can access all your storage and replaceable blades there. And last but not least, the final thing that makes this knife unlike any other knife on the market is a fire starting wheel. This knife not only is a workhorse for us, but it can be a lifesaver. Fire starter, we love this knife, and therefore it is the official knife of Beyond the Hunt TV. You can find out more at outdoorelement.com.